I've been selling AirPod clones for around 3 years. We have made over 6 figures selling these online. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Amazon, Facebook, Walmart, Seller Central. And what these clones have always been is products just like this, no Apple logo. But guys, we have a new clone to actually announce. These are the original Gen 2 clones, no Apple logos, no Apple signage, but the same exact experience as reps and the original. These are the Maxes, these are the Gen 2s, but we are very excited to announce 2 new pods to the line at WESPLY.com. You have these right here, which are the Gen 4 AirPod clones. Now, these right here are so enhanced. We had to wait 3 months for these to get to us because of alterations. I have sold reps, I've sold fake pods, I've sold real pods. I put myself in situations so you don't have to fall into different traps. Now, one of the biggest points that I've always emphasized with headphones like these is it needs to be at a good price point for me to be able to make money without creating false expectations from customers. And I'll give you a really good example. If I tell a customer that these pods right here are $186, they'll look at me and say, okay, I'll buy it. But if they don't get the exact experience, Apple Care, and the ability to walk into any Apple store, they may want a refund because they feel like they got. We do not sell any of these products as they are Apple, but instead we sell these as they are in the ear headphones. Now, the difference between these and these is not only the package size, but also new quality, new innovations, and also more enhanced features. And we'll talk about that. The AirPod Gen 4, they come in 2 different versions. We have a noise canceling and also a without noise canceling. This without noise cancellation pair of headphones will cost less. This will cost more. You can get these now at WESPLY.com, either single, 6, or 12 units. Now, we have the only company in the United States that I know of selling clones wholesale without you needing any EIN, LLC paperwork, any business license, or reselling permit. Now, what we're gonna do in this video is I'm going to, for the first time, unbox this on camera and give you guys my true observation of the final product. For this video, I'm going to do the ANC, the active noise canceling version. I do want to say this has been one of the most difficult products I was able to get my hand on. I could easily go on AliExpress or even Alibaba and get these and try to just have them remove the logo, but because I really wanted to make sure the quality actually was up to par. Now, I have seen these in regular demo format, which is just a regular box for me to test out. And I have tested these out for a week, but I want to make sure this gives the right experience. So I want you guys to come with me as we unbox this right now. Now, before we actually talk about the unboxing, I want to talk about price. Price is really important. And the reason it's important is because when you're looking at how much you're paying for a product like this, you want to make sure it's affordable for you to be able to make a healthy profit margin. And we did just that. So you go to WESPLY.com, you go over to the main menu, you go to shop all products, and you can hit that little arrow, go to audio. Now, once you go to audio, you are immediately going to see the AirPod 4s, okay? So the AirPod 4s with noise cancellation, so A and C are 55, and then you see the AirPod 4s no noise cancellation 40. Now, if I was to break down the difference between the two, it's not too much, but it also depends on what you're trying to do. So if you're somebody out there that is trying to sell with the most quality, you want to get the ones that have active noise cancellation. If you're somebody that is just trying to sell based on the value of having headphones that look like the AirPod 4s, sound similar, but do not give the full functionality, that's when you would do the ones that have no noise cancellation, okay? So we're gonna go and hit the ones that say with noise cancellation, okay? Now, me hitting that, you now are going to see a $55 price point. That's if you just get one. Remember, my business is grown and builds off of selling wholesale, and that's what we prioritize. So now you will see you have the ability to buy 6 or 12. Now, 6 is going to cost you $120. Let's do the math, okay? $120 divided by 6. You're paying $20 for these headphones, okay? Which is a really good price. And we'll talk about profit margin a little bit later in the video, but how much is it for 12? Well, for 12, you can go ahead and get them for $210. Now, why is that important? Because that's still affordable. 210 divided by 12, that's going to get each one for $17.50. Now, of course, if you just buy one, you're literally going to be looking at the price of $55, as that is how much you will have to spend for just one pair. Now, we do know we have people that buy regular pods from us in general, and I appreciate your support as well. But for all the resellers, the main objective was for you to be able to get these to resell. Now, reselling these won't be hard, but also you want to make sure you have a good profit margin, so we could actually deep dive into the profit margins you can actually expect. Now, speaking of profit margin, let's actually go into a profit margin calculator. So $20 is going to be the cost of goods to you. Now what you want to do, these headphones, if you look them up, you can see that these will be selling for different prices, right? But the price that we actually want to look at is how much can we sell AirPod Gen 4, right? How much can we sell these? We see Target 129, and these are all legitimate versions, right? We want to look on the eBay. So we type in AirPod Gen 4 eBay, okay? Now, when you do that, it will take you to an eBay page with the headphones, okay? Now, you can filter and you can go all the way to show more sold items, okay? So searching. Now, we can see which ones have sold, okay? Now, we are looking for headphones similar to ours. We see one just sold for $89.99. One sold for $75.50. One sold for $123. Now, here's the thing. These are all not real. These are all reps, okay? Let's make that clear. Now, I want to stick between the 89 and the 75, okay? Now, if we were to go over back to our profit margin calculator and we were to say, okay, we're going to sell it, the rev is going to be, let's say 75. So that's going to be a 73.3% profit margin. You're going to make $55 profit. Now, remember, this is for if you get 6. So if you get 6, you're looking at making $55 per pod, right? So we know that it costs $120, right? So we know 55 times the 6, that's going to be $330 that you make minus the $120 that it costs. You're making $210 profit. Great. Now let's say you brought the 12. Now we know the 12, you're getting each unit at $17.50, okay? Times that by 12, that means you're paying $210. But if we just go ahead and price it at that $75 rate, we know 55 times that 12, we know we're going to go and see $660 profit. We know we spent $210. We make $450 profit. What platforms do you want to list these on? We're talking about platforms like Mercari, OfferUp, eBay, Facebook. You want to dibble and dabble on multiple platforms. And of course, you want to make sure you're listing these correctly. Speaking of listing correctly, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the video at the end of this that I will put on the screen that shows you exactly how I list these pods. Because again, we want to make sure you are equipped with every single form of material needed to max sales with these pods. Unboxing time, I couldn't be more excited. I didn't understand until helping form these pods how important noise cancellation was to some people. All right, now we're gonna actually go ahead and look at the back. So the back, it says with active noise cancellation, says it in different languages. Then it has wireless headphone with charging case. All right, yes, it has a charging case, of course, compatible with USB-C chargers. So it has the same charging adapter as the iPhone 17s and the iPhone 16s, and the cables, obviously, that would have a connector like that, okay? Now, speaking of that, we want to make sure that we open this up correctly. So I'm gonna use this, don't judge me. All right, so now using this, we're pulling off that plastic, okay? As you see, there's no Apple logos on any side of the box, which is important. We don't want any Apple logos. Now, One thing I made sure was clear, rather than how we had last time where it was no safety logos on here, we need these safety logos because it's important for us to list on certain platforms, okay? So I didn't understand that with these pair, all right? But with these pair, we have these safety logos, okay? Now, here comes the moment of truth. I've never opened up the final product, okay? So opening it up, we see we have the pamphlet. Now, again, we don't want any Apple logos, any Apple signage, any Apple anything on this pamphlet. We want to maintain our own brand integrity. So let's see how this actually looks. Wow, this is in there. Wow. That. All right. Cool. So manual, oh, I opened up the wrong side. So it comes manual. And you open it up. Then it gives you a whole descriptive instruction on exactly, how to charge it. And of course, the case charges. Unlike these, okay, this case will charge on your MagSafe charger. That's important, as you see in the diagram, okay? That's nice. I love that it shows that in the instructions, okay? So we'll put that right there for now. Now, you see the little lip right here of this little plastic, right? I like that. We're gonna go ahead and lift this up, take these out. But hold on. One thing I don't see though, I wanna see how the charger looks. Okay, perfect. Charger's in there, okay. I like that the charger's not in the way. I like that I could take this off. Now I had the charger just come out at me. I like that, okay? Cool, cool, cool. I like that. I like that. That's actually an adjustment of what it was before. All right, now opening these up, this I can see the case is smaller than I'm usually used to, and that's interesting. But ooh, y'all hear that? When I opened it, y'all hear that? Look. Oh, I ain't do it. It did a ding when I opened it up. Okay. Okay. Look at the charging case. Charging case looks really nice. Really nice. No Apple. Yep. No Apple anything on here. We're good. It has the speaker. Okay. Wow. All right. Now, I love the icon. It shows the pairing icon. Now, another thing I wanted to make sure we got together was speaker cutouts. Believe it or not, I am a very big advocate for all speakers to actually really exist, not just have a mesh cutout, which I've seen plenty of times. These are all real speakers, okay? And microphones. So this has the right logo right here, the R. Then it has the speakers. I like that. Look at that. This is beautiful. Has the touch control right here as well. I like that. I like that. Wow, okay. So these are the pods. These are beautiful, y'all. I'm not lying. I really love how these look. I think that these are, not only this case feels very strong. This case feels very strong. It does not feel like it will break at all. Now I want to show you guys how in depth and why it took so long for us to actually get these, right? So look at this, press and hold and switch between listening modes. So these are the modes, but you can press and hold to change the modes on the headphones, okay? So these headphones have active touch control, which allows you to switch modes, okay? Now, double tap with case open to connect to other devices. So what that means, right? Again, I want to show you guys our innovation, right? Look. Boom. This is a touchpad right here. This is something that we have not had yet. That's a touchpad to connect to other devices, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys again. You touch this case and it will actually connect. Look. Boom. So now it's in pairing mode, okay? Now we're gonna try and pair it, okay? This is, again, a different type of innovation. Now, the only thing we could not get was the Apple setup thing to pop up every time. Now, it does pop up once you have it connected. Here are the Earbuds 4. Boom. Okay, as you see, it doesn't say like wireless, da-da-da. Now it clicks and says a little ding. Now look at what it says. Announce calls and notifications. So you can customize. It registers this as 100% legitimate. We're gonna announce calls, okay? Now, again, it was very hard having them pair these like this to where you can actually see it on your iPhone. Okay, now look at this, guys. The noise cancellation, you could change the name. We can change these right now to like a Hustler Pods or something, right? Boom. And then we can see our battery percentage. We can see the battery percentage with the headphones. We can see transparency, adaptive, noise cancellation. We can see all of that, guys. This is all personalized. All personalized. And that is important. We did a lot of work for this, guys, and I'm proud of the work that we have on here. It's really, really nice. You personalize volume, conversion aware, so conversation awareness, lower medium volume, air detection, and then you can see how it works, microphone, battery, show and find my iPhone, everything. Now, the model number and serial number says unknown. That's the thing that we obviously can't fabricate, but these are really nice. It's important for me to tell you guys exactly why I have got products like this. Not to create a false expectation to a customer, but to allow resellers that do want to sell these type of products the flexibility to do so. If you sell these products the right way, you'll make money. Everybody doesn't want to pay an Apple price tag for a product that doesn't actually cost that much, right? These you can sell between $75 to $89, $85. You don't even have to pass the $100 threshold for you to make 50 plus in profit. Very important, very valuable. But again, we don't have to lie. We don't have to try and finesse. These are headphones that will consistently make you money, help you build income, but most importantly, make money work for you. If you want to learn how to list these pods, definitely on the screen somewhere, it should be a video showing you exactly how I list these on platforms like OfferUp, Facebook, and even eBay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Learn how to list these so you can start making money. Of course, the link for the pods are below. Can't wait to see you guys at the top because it's way too crowded at the bottom.